Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable Snapchat Friendmoji. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat app on your device. Then tap on the profile icon top from the left corner. After that, tap on Settings and tap on Bitmoji. From here, create and customize your Bitmoji profile. After that, come back to the Snapchat home. Now tap on the message icon. Tap on any friend chat now. Tap on the keyboard emoji icon. After that, tap on the Bitmoji profile avatar. It has near the button of the clock icon, so here is the friend emoji. Now you can share with your friends, so this is how you can get the friends emoji. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.